Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's yours truly, Texzle. You guys probably already know what I'm doing. Removing cruise control because it's honestly useless. It doesn't even work. So guys, along with me, and hopefully you enjoy. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is remove this cover. I believe it's called the cover. I kind of already did. Fuck, this shit's stuck. But pretty much that's all you want to do right now, and then I'll explain the rest as we get to this part right here. But what I'm removing is this long ass cable. I'll try to do this with one hand because why not? Alright, as soon as you guys get it all off, just pull it up. Just don't lose your screws because that would suck. As soon as you guys get that off, pretty much what you want to do is loosen this one up, this little bolt right here, or this nut. I can't do it. Oh wait. Oh no, I can't. You want to loosen that up, and then just take this wire out. Pretty much after that, it should be simple enough. It's kind of hot, so that's why my finger's burning. Yes, I use cheap tools, but I got them for free, so fuck it. Just loosen this up a little bit. There you go. So pretty much what you want to do is pull this back. This is hot, so I can't really like show you guys on camera, but if it wasn't, I probably would be able to. But this goes like this. Pull it out, then you have room to pull this out. Just push it to the side. Boom. There you go. And you take this part off. Now what we're gonna do is just loosen these bolts up down here. So there's two bolts. There's one right here, and I think this is one right here. I believe that's it. Dope as Z right there. And that's pretty much what you do. You just loosen it up. This video is probably gonna be very short. I'm just trying to get this shit out the way because honestly this shit's dumb. There's no point of having it, especially if you're a Z owner. Fucking, when are you ever gonna use cruise control, you know? Just take this bolt out. Boom. Boom. Now you got this left. So what you want to do is remove this one right here. It's pretty easy. You just remove the clip. Let's see if I can get it with one hand. Oh, cause I'm macho. All right, give me a second. And voila, cruise control has come in out. So you just want to remove this. I might tape this around so no water gets in there and shit. But this shit is dirty. But looking good so far. And some things that I like to do. Oh, a fucking shitty ass camera. There we go. I like to put the screws back in so that way, like, in case I do want to put it back, it's already here. And I doubt I'll ever use it again, but that way it's not like just a complete hole, you know. Oh, there we go. And voila, magnifico. Only thing left to do is put this on. If you want to, while you're here, you could probably like tighten up the cables, you know, so they can actually like grip pretty well. Oh shit, just don't do what I just did right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put back the cover, and then I'll move to that. Voila, guys. Now it looks kind of better without all that bullshit over there. Let me go ahead and tape it up too because I'm an idiot and I forgot to do that. Found some electrical tape. We're about to just wrap this thing up. Wow, that's unfortunate. Probably wondering why I wrapped this. I'm not a professional, so please don't judge too hard. I'm just doing simple things. Let's see, honestly, I don't know what the hell this is, but if it ain't broke, fuck, I don't know what the hell this is. Looks, it must be for the strut tower or something with it, for the electrical part of it. Let's see. Nope, don't know what it is, so I'm not gonna fuck with it. But there you go, guys. Pretty easy to do. You can do it at home. You can do it in your sleep, maybe. No, I'm kidding. You probably can't do it in your sleep, but you could do it. If I could do it, anybody can do it. That's the way I see it. We got this dope ass yellow Mustang. What's up, boss? trying to, fuck. I hate it when I gotta do this shit. Give me a second. Honestly, I think I got OCD because I didn't like the way it was going over this hose, so I just kind of like disconnected and put it under. That's literally it. I'm gonna go check this side too. Oh, this one looks good. If you guys like this video, be sure to leave it a like, comment, and subscribe, alright? Next week I am gonna be getting some new shoes for the Z. The reason why I am getting tires. Oh, fucking, what the? Take two. Okay, take two. Let's see. So this is my tread. Literally, bro, it's but a fingernail on this side. Like if I go over here, barely anything. Like I could just rub across this shit actually. It's hard to tell on camera. Here, let me see. But it's nothing. On this side, it's a little bit better though. I might be doing a one-wheel pill, I don't know, man. But this side, you got at least a little bit of a dip, you know. But either way, that's still fucking bad. Sides are like okay as well. Still bad. The fronts actually are hecka good. Hell yeah. See the inside. Oh shit. Those are good too. Both sides are actually pretty good in the front. Just the rears is what I'm getting, so for any of you guys not wondering, that's what I'm gonna be getting. Just to let you guys know. And I'm also gonna be fixing a bunch of boost leaks because unfortunately, let me show you guys. Unfortunately, just this piece right here is loose. Ah, that shit's hot, but I got a tiny boost leak coming out of that. Still pulls, but I think I got OCD or something, but yeah. Stay tuned, alright guys? More to come for the Z. Till then, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. See you guys.